On the 3rd of November 2020 last year, Institute of Tropical Aquaculture and Fishery or AKUATROP was recognized as the first higher institution center of excellence or HICoE for aquaculture in Malaysia, and dedicated to conduct fundamental and applied research as well as capacity building in the field of aquaculture. The HICoE AKUATROP research niche is basically future food with a research team, sustainable shellfish aquaculture. This is very synonym with our research main field of aquatrops. Through the injections of ringgit Malaysia 6.75 million, AKUATROP will focus on research related to shellfish aquaculture for the implementation of this first phase of the 3 years HICoE program, which started January this year 2021. Shellfish aquaculture are related to aquaculture activity involved in farming of shellfish aquatic organisms such as mud crab, giant freshwater prawns, marine shrimp, clams, and even snails. HICoE AKUATROP bring together a group of renowned researchers in UMT, especially in aquaculture research, led by myself as the director of HICoE AKUATROP. We have 4 main research programs which was developed under this HICoE program. These are mainly, the first one is shellfish resource sustainability, secondly shellfish breeding technology, thirdly shellfish green technology, and lastly shellfish health and food quality assurance. The ultimate goal of HICoE AKUATROP is to work toward the food security and the sustainability. This is in line with Malaysia's national goal toward food security and United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
With the aim of becoming a regional reference center in the field of fisheries and aquaculture, I'm honored to be in charge of one of the niche research group in AKUATROP, which is resource sustainability. We have 4 main members under this program and 1 main research laboratory, which is Laboratory of Shellfish Resource Sustainability. Although the resource sustainability group is comparatively small in terms of number of members, we do crucial work on the natural management for both fisheries and aquaculture. In this program, we conducted several research on marine biology, ecology, and genetics. The research are conducted in order to make known the local population diversity and genetic structure of economically important aquatic species. Also, the research focus under this program aims to study the effect of global climate change on marine organisms, to conduct the socio-economic studies related to fisheries and aquaculture, to plan for the conservation program, and to search for the new aquaculture candidates for the global food security. For me, the research conducted under this program is essential to support the future sustainable fisheries and aquaculture sector globally. Until now, we have looked into the conservation of various species ranging from crustaceans such as portudid crab, marine shrimp, and freshwater prawn, which facing a decrease in population day by day. Besides that, due to the current global climate change trend and coral bleaching phenomena, we also focus on the conservation of the clownfish and marine organisms related to the coral, which are important resources for ecotourism. Here in AKUATROP, we believe that fisheries and aquaculture should be conducted in a sustainable way to ensure the livelihood of the coastal communities and the abundance of natural resources.
The shellfish breeding technology programs combine the expertise in the field of husbandry management, the nutrition, reproductive biologies, genetics and genomics to better understand the mechanism of reproductions underlying the shellfish species. We work on controlling the sexual maturations, reproductive performance through effective diet formulations, larvae culture improvements, breeding technologies, and the broodstock management strategy to produce the high quality of seed through controllable, sustainable, and profitable. Through the scientific approach, we aim to produce high quality of seed productions, sharing the knowledge of breeding technologies to all stakeholders.
In principle, this program was developed to implement the sustainable and environmental friendly approach for aquaculture farming, particularly shellfish production. As we are in the middle in mitigating the global environmental pollution and also global warming effect, concurrently this green farming technology should come into our main focus. A microbial-based product such as the implementations of biofloc technology in aquaculture was recently highly explored. To support the development of green technology in aquaculture, recently AKUATROP researchers has come out with invented chemicals-free products known as Rapid BFT. This Rapid BFT product was filed for patent in 2017 and has been successfully implemented to boost up the formations of biofloc and indirectly increasing the overall performance of aquaculture production. The Rapid Biofloc product as BFT also has been successfully applied and generate income for most both local and industrial aquaculture key player in Malaysia particularly. As part of several listed main outcomes under HICoE program, researchers in Shellfish Green Technology Program in AKUATROP has come up with an idea in developing a sustainable green technology aquaculture system, which consists of multiple technology associated with Rapid BFT, known as Indoor Multi-Techno Aquaculture System (IMTAS). It will help aquaculturists to minimize the effect of disease outbreak in a controlled environment. We will also integrate an autonomous feeding and also monitoring program using Internet of Things throughout the culture production. Therefore, our main goal is to increase aquaculture production and productivity in more sustainable way, and at the same time it helps in mitigating global warming effect and environmental pollution using a green farming approach.
This program focuses on aquaculture health surveillance, diagnosis, and also the treatment. And this program also to ensure the quality and food safety of the products from the aquaculture or from the farm to the product for the human consumption. And our target species are lobster, shrimp, mud crabs, and also freshwater giant prawn, or we call it udang galah. And we also focusing on the developing shrimp specific pathogen-free or SPF, and also Broodstock Multiplication Center or BMC for help our aquaculture industry. And this program also include development of product for fish health. In AKUATROP, we have 12 service laboratories and 8 high-end equipment. Our histology labs toward ISO 17025, and we hope we can provide better services, especially in the diagnostic work. And we also prepared for HICoE, which is our lab, follow all the standards, and all our supportive staff are well trained. And hopefully all our clients are happy with our services.